Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safely staying home. Kindly don't tease your parents and utilize your precious time in learning. Okay, it's time to study and we are here to discuss and learn about the sets. Let's start with the book page number 6, unit number 1, operation on sets. First of all, we have to discuss about the sets. So, what do you think? What is a set? What comes into your mind when you hear about a set? You can say a bunch of flowers or a set of books, etc. Yes, these are the sets. So, here is the proper definition of a set. A set is a group or a collection of distinct, well-defined objects. So, here in this definition, distinct object means different objects or distinguishable by the sense, and well-defined objects mean the objects which can clearly be defined or described with quantitative property. Objects with qualitative property cannot be a set. Let's take a look on few examples of sets. Here is the example of cricket playing nations like Pakistan, India, Australia, etc. Nations can be counted or have quantitative property, therefore it can be a set. Here is the example of strong students of the class. Strong students cannot be counted. Strong is a quality, therefore it cannot be a set. So I hope by now you know what are the sets and in which condition we can form a set or cannot form a set. Let's move to the next step, that is how to represent a set. A set can be represented in three forms: descriptive form, tabular form, and set builder form. First of all, we have to discuss about the descriptive form. In this form, a set is defined in a simple, clear, and accurate sentence that indicates all the elements in the set. Okay, let's take an example of set A, which contains the elements 2, 4, 6, and 8. So here, how can we represent this set A in a simple, clear, and accurate sentence? We have to see these are positive numbers and these are even numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8, and these are only 4 numbers, not all the even numbers. So set A will be represented in descriptive form as A is equals to first 4 positive even numbers. So this will be our simple, clear, and accurate sentence for this set representation. Next is our tabular or roster form. In this form, all the elements of the set are listed in braces that are curly brackets, and all the individual elements are separated by commas. Here we will take the example from the previous set A, which contains the elements 2, 4, 6, and 8. So how can it be represented in tabular or roster form? Here you can see A is equals to braces start 2, 4, 6, 8, and braces close. So here you can see all the elements are listed in braces and every individual element is separated by commas. So next is our set builder form. The set builder form expresses a set with an alphabet showing all the properties of elements of the set. So we will take the example from the previous set. How can we represent it in set builder form? You can see here set A is equals to open braces x is such that x is the member of the set of even numbers and x is greater than or equal to and x is less than or equal to 8. You can say it is written in form of a rule. Hope you got all the concepts. At the end, let me tell you about your home task pattern. So here I have prepared for you a home task pattern. First of all, you have to draw the margin lines here and then mention the date on the top of the page and the day, then your serial number, then mention the name, class and section, then draw a margin line here under or below the section. Then you have to mention your unit number, your topic, your exercise number, and here you can write your book page number, and here you can write the question number and part from the question. Okay, your writing should must be very neat and clear. Make your home task presentation attractive by using blue markers, blue pen, black and blue pointers, etc. Okay, this will be your diary. Learn all three forms of set representation and express this set of numbers in all three forms in your notebook. Okay, understand? So, kindly make your presentation better. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.